Did you know DEI includes organizational development, not just governance over equality matters? DEI experts and consultants' first order of business is to learn leadership's vision and priorities for the organization and align them with DEI best practices through environment scans and other assessments. The results from these assessments allows DEI consultants to offer leadership the best course of action in expanding their diverse landscape throughout the organization's culture by offering DEI programming, compliance training, policy reform, risk management best practices, and more. These assessments also allows an opportunity for us to gain a pulse check of the organization as a whole, be it our customers externally or our employees internally, so that we can better serve them and make sure that they feel valued and appreciated to help boost morale both internally and externally. After gathering all of the data, we can now create solutions for all stakeholders in the organization, including our external stakeholders, which may include our customers, sponsors, and partners. And also, we can create solutions for our internal community, our internal stakeholders, such as our employees. Our employees would then also have roadmaps in how to better expand their departments, their work relationships, and cross functional relationships within the organization. Finally, we can put evaluation measures in place to track the progress of the organization's solutions. These are the five stages of organization development. Contact Vantage Point Society to learn more about our services and how we can better serve your organizational culture.